In this video, we will learn about Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes is an anti-malware software for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. And it finds and removes malware. Malware is a code that performs malicious actions. It can take the form of an executable, script code, or any other software. Attackers use malware to steal sensitive information, spy on the infected system, or take control of the system. It typically gets into your system without your consent and can be delivered via email, web, or USB drive, for example. Malicious action performed by malware can include disrupting computer operations, stealing sensitive information, including personal, business, and financial data, unauthorized access to the victim system, spying on the system, sending emails, performing DOS attack, denial of service attacks. Malwarebytes is a pretty good software which will remove these malwares on your system. So we are going to search for Malwarebytes on Google and then download and install it. We can search Malwarebytes, and from malwarebytes.com you can download it. Go to this link over here, and on its side you can click on free download link or button, and over here you can select the version or the one you want to download it. And this malware byte setup file is downloaded. I will go to that folder, and click on MB setup file, and then allow this program to run. It will give you options to install it on personal computer or work computer. I will select personal computer and then click on install. It also gives advanced option, but I'm just gonna select this one, install. Now we have this malware install and the icon over. I can click on this icon to start, and now you can click on get started, and if you want to buy you can click on buy now or maybe later. We are just going to go with this one, and then just click on get started, and now we are going to click on scan button. It will check for updates if there are any updates, and after the update it will start scanning our system. Now that check for update is complete, it's scanning our system now for memory. It may take some time to finish the scan, but you can also click on the reports after it's done. Here it will list all those scanning report under this reports tabs, and if it finds any malware it will be listed over here too, and it goes by Each day you can see these reports. On the right side you can see the items scan. You will also have options to pause the scan or cancel the scan. This is a very good software to remove a malware. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. A SIM code keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.